Hi friends, welcome to Turbo Maths channel. Can you solve this question? 9 minus 4, then times 9 plus 4. What is the answer of this question? In the wrong way of solving this question, some people start from the left side of the question and simplify, and they don't pay attention to the priority of the mathematical operations. 9 minus 4 equals 5. 5 times 9 plus 4, that equals 13. 5 times 13 equals 65, but this answer is not correct. Let's get started and solve this problem. To solve this question, we need to follow a rule which is PEMDAS. If you don't pay attention to this rule, you get the wrong answer. PEMDAS shows the priority of the mathematical operations. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So, we should follow this rule. In this rule, multiplication and division have the same priority. Also, addition and subtraction have the same priority. When we have multiplication or division, we start from the left and simplify. We do the same for addition or subtraction. First, we simplify the parentheses. 9 plus 4 equals 13. 9 minus 4, then times 13. In this step, we do the multiplication, because the multiplication have the higher priority about subtraction. Negative 4 times 13 equals negative 52. Now we have a new expression, 9 minus 52, that equals negative 43, and we find the final answer of this question. Thanks guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Goodbye guys.